This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sign up for ChatGPT. First, navigate to the official OpenAI website. Look for the Sign Up button, usually found in the upper right-hand corner of the page. Clicking this will take you to the registration form. You'll need a valid email address to get started, so have that ready. This process is straightforward and takes only a few moments to complete, setting you up for an exciting experience with AI. Once you've clicked Sign Up, you'll be prompted to enter your email address and create a secure password. Make sure your password is robust, combining letters, numbers, and symbols. After submitting, an email verification link will be sent to your inbox. Open that email and click the link to confirm your address. Next, you'll be asked for your full name and date of birth to complete your profile setup. For an added layer of security and to ensure you're a real person, ChatGPT requires phone verification. You'll need to enter your mobile phone number into the provided field. Shortly after, a 6-digit verification code will be sent to your phone via SMS. Carefully type this code into the designated box on the website. This step helps protect your account and maintains the integrity of the platform for all users. With your account successfully verified, the final step is to review and accept the terms of service and the privacy policy. It's always a good idea to read these documents. Once accepted, you'll gain full access to the ChatGPT interface. You are now ready to explore its many capabilities, ask questions, generate creative text, and begin your journey with this powerful artificial intelligence tool. Enjoy your experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.